Welcome to First Light Boatworks and Marine Railway. I'm Woody Metzger.
I'm Jim Donovan.
We just bought the place just under a month ago, and currently we're building a 26-foot Illyrian class sloop. And we're also in the process of building a 34-foot double-ended ketch, which will take place in the bay on the other side of this wall. We're servicing all the boats we've built over the years, and we're also restoring a Spalding Dunbar Corsair that was built about 10 feet from where it sits 80 years ago. This is actually hull number 5, I think, out of 7 that were made, the only remaining one, surviving one. And this will be sailing this spring.